It is a question paper for second terminal 9th class. It may be a question for term 1 of 10th class, unit 1 of 10th class, term 2 of 8th class. There are 20 questions on Java bits. This is on basic of Java, data types and operators. Features of OOPS. Based on features of OOPS, data types, operators. Okay. So some questions are from 8th class and all questions are for 9th and 10th class. Fill in the blanks with appropriate answer. Write only answer. Int r equal to 100 by 0. There is dash type of error. Write down which type of error this one. Int r equal to 100 by 0. Dash keyword is used to create a new class. To create a new class, dash keyword is used. Int a equal to char, b in single quote plus 5. What is the value of a? Int a equal to 7, e equal to a plus plus. What is the value of e? Int c equal to 3 modulus 8 plus 8 modulus 3. What is the value of c? Int d equal to int in bracket 7 by 2.0 in bracket. What is the value of d? Dash code is obtained after the completion of Java source code. After the completion of Java source code, dash code is obtained. To change the order in which expressions are evaluated, dash are placed around the expression that is to be evaluated first. What you should to place around the expression that is to be evaluated first. 10 plus 5 into 8 minus 15 by 5 equal to dash. You have to find the value of this expression. The act of using essential features without including background detail is called dash. This is the feature of OOPS. One feature of OOPS. Write down the what features this one. The object communicate with each other through dash. Object communicate with each other through dash. Dash is the smallest integer data type. Smallest integer data type. Dash is the largest floating point data type. Then question number 14. By default, a floating point data is dash. By default, a floating point data is dash. Dash is the range of char data type. Boolean data type use dash byte or bytes. Dash operator is used to allocate memory space to the instance variable of a class. Dash operator is used to allocate memory space to the instance variable of a class. Range of double data type is dash. What is the range of double data type? The order of execution of multiplication, that is into plus 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 equal. You have to write the in order, higher to lower. The process in which a class acquires properties of another class is known as dash. The process in which a class acquires properties of another class is known as dash. This is also a feature of OOP. Right? What feature this one? Okay. So have you written complete? Now come to the solution part. Let us check your answer. First one, int r equal to 100 by 0. Which type of error? This one. Do you know how many type of error are there? There are three type of error, that is syntax error, runtime error, logical error. Syntax error occur when there is a mistake in the code structure. Runtime error occur during the execution of the program, and logical error occur when the program does not produce the expected result. That means syntax error is the grammatical error. If semicolon is missing, then this is known as syntax error. Runtime error, if there is a impossible task. There is an impossible task means 100 divided by 0. 100 divided by 0 is your infinity. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. So this is a runtime error. Root over of a negative number is also a runtime error. This is the error during the execution of the program. And logical error is error in logic. Means instead of a plus you have put minus sign, then it will be the wrong output. So this is your logical error. This one is your runtime error. Okay. This one runtime error. There are three types of error: syntax error, runtime error, and logical error. Next one is dash keyword is used to create a new class. To create a new class, what is the syntax? Can you tell me what is the syntax to create a new class? To create a new class name equal to char b plus 5. B is in single quote. B is single quote means ASCII code of B. Here is B plus 5, that is your character. So character ASCII code of character plus 5. ASCII code of character B is how much? ASCII code of capital A is 65. ASCII code of capital B is 66. 66 plus 5. 66 plus 5 is your how much? 71. 71. Then again, this is your 71. B plus 5 means 71. Then character value of 71. Character value of 71 equal to how much? B के बाद 5 C D E F G. So this one is your G. Now question, you have to write capital G in single quote because this one is character. So you have to write in single quote. But if it was asked that system.out.println a, then the answer is your only G. This type of question is a equal to means single quote in G. If it was given system.out.println, the answer is your only G. Int a equal to 7, e equal to a plus plus, e equal to. This is postfix operator. This postfix operator does not change its value before action. This is your a equal to 7 means e also 7. E equal to a plus plus, a value of e also 7. This is postfix operator. If it is given plus plus a, then value of e 8. But now the answer is 7 because a plus plus is given. Now int c equal to 3 modulus 8 plus 8 modulus 3. 3 modulus 8. Modulus sign is for remainder. Divide 3 by 8. 8 0 0 0. So remainder is your 3. Then 8 modulus 3 means divide 8 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. Remainder is 2. Here is 0 remainder. Here is 2 remainder. So answer is how much? Here is this is divided by 8 is 8 0 ja 0. This is 3 remainder and this is 3 2 ja 6. 8 minus 6 2 remainder. Here 3 remainder, here 2 remainder. 3 plus 2 5. So answer is 5. Then this one int d equal to int 7 by 2.0. 7 by 2.0. 2.0 given. So this is fractional division. If it is not given 2.0 only 2, then it will be integer division. That is answer 3. But this one is given 2.0. So answer is here 3.5. Here 3.5. And here value of 7 by 2.0 is 3.5. Again it is in int. This is explicit type conversion. This is in int. So answer will be 3 only. Okay. This is your 3.5. But after int, this one 3. So answer is 3 only. Dash code is obtained after Dash code is obtained after the completion of Java source code. After the completion of Java source code, dash code is obtained bytecode. When Java source code compiled, it is converted to another code that is known as bytecode. Bytecode is the intermediate code. Then bytecode is again converted into machine code by Java interpreter that is known as JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Okay. There are three type of code in Java. First one is source code, Java source code. Java source code is compiled and converted into an intermediate code that is known as bytecode. Bytecode is then translated to machine code, and this is converted to machine code by an interpreter, the Java interpreter that is known as Java Virtual Machine JVM. So in Java, compiler and interpreter both are used. To change the order in which expressions are evaluated, dash are placed around the expression that is to be evaluated first. To change the order in which expressions are evaluated, dash are placed around the expression that is to be evaluated first. Means if you put this one common bracket, that is parenthesis, common bracket, that will be evaluated first. So answer is parenthesis, that is common bracket. What will be the answer of this one? This is not given, parenthesis is not given. You have to do first multiplication, division and remainder, same priority. If this is multiplication is first, okay, first come first serve. That means multiplication, division and remainder, modular sign. Okay? जो सबसे पहले आएगा उससे पहले करोगे. पहले इंटू है, इंटू डिवीजन एंड मॉडुलर, तीनों में से जो पहले आएगा उससे पहले करोगे. तीनों का सेम प्रायोरिटी है, तो पहले इंटू आया है तो पहले इंटू करोगे, फिर ये डिवीजन करोगे. तो 5 इंटू 8 का कितना है यहाँ पे 40. 15/5 कितना है, ये इंटीजर डिवीजन है तो 3 ओनली आएगा. 5 3 जा 15, पॉइंट में नहीं आएगा, ये इंटीजर डिवीजन फॉरवर्ड स्लैश इंटीजर डिवीजन है तो ओनली 3 आएगा. यहाँ पे 40 आएगा. 10 + 40 हाउ मच, 50. 50 - 3 47. So answer is 47. Now the act of using essential feature without including background detail is called dash. There are 4 features of OOP. What are that? Encapsulation, data abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. The act of using essential feature without knowing background detail is known as data abstraction. Data abstraction is using essential feature without knowing the background detail. तुम्हें गाड़ी चलाना है तो गाड़ी चलाओगे, गाड़ी किसने बनाया है ये जानना जरूरी नहीं है. You do not need to know how this car developed, how this car manufactured, who manufactured this one. Only you have to know the driving. Okay. This is data abstraction. The object communicate with each other through dash. Object communicate with each other through dash. We are communicating with each other through message, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So message with similarly the object. We are also object, software object and real world object communicate with each other through message. So this is your message passing. The object communicate with each other through message passing. Dash is the smallest integer data type. Dash is the smallest integer data type. Integer data type. How many type of integer data type? Do you know? Byte, short, int, long, All these are integer data type. So which one is the smallest? Can you say which one is the smallest? Byte. Byte is the smallest integer data type. What is the size of the byte? Size of the byte is 1 byte. Dash is the largest floating point. Floating point is float and double. Largest is double. By default, a floating point data is dash. By default, a floating point data is double data type, not float. Double. By default, a floating point data type decimal is the double. By default, decimal is double data type. Dash is the range of care data type. Range of care data type, most important question. Range of care data type is 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. The next question. Question number 16. Boolean data type use dash byte. Boolean data type use dash byte. Boolean data type is your result is true or false. Okay? True or false? It occupies dash byte. It occupies only one bit, but smallest is our is byte. So this is 1 byte. Boolean data type use 1 byte. Dash operator is used to allocate memory space to the instance variable of a class. Dash operator is used to allocate memory space. Dash operator is used to allocate memory space. New. It may be a question answer. What is the use of new operator? New operator is used to allocate memory space to the instance variable of a class. It allocates memory space. Range of double data type. You have to remember all the range. That means int, float, double, char or range. Range of double data type. What is the range of double data type? See this one. This is the data type. Smallest data type is byte. Size is 8 bit. 8 bit is 1 byte. 1 byte means your 8 bit. Smallest data type is byte. That size is 1 byte. And range is minus 128 to plus 127. Then char. Char here range is not written, that is 0 to 65,535. Write down, this is 0 to 65,535. Then sort. Sort is 2 byte. First one byte is 1 byte, sort is 2 byte. Then int 4 byte, long 8 byte, float 4 byte, double 8 byte. This is in ascending order, smallest to highest. Okay, smallest data type is byte and highest data type is your double. This is your float is 4 byte, long is 8 byte, but float is greater than long. Now range. Range is, you have to remember all this range. Double is your 1.7e plus 308 to 1.7e plus 308. You have to remember this one for double. And this one is for long. Minus 2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1 is for long. And for int, minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. You have to remember all these range. Okay, it is important. Now question number 19. The order of execution of multiplication, increment operator, shorthand operator is this. There is a hierarchy of operator. See this one. This is hierarchy of binary operators. First bracket, then exponent, then division or multiplication, then addition subtraction. This one is the complete precedence of operators. First bracket, then increment decrement operator. Then this is your arithmetical operator. In arithmetical operator, multiplication, division and modulus same priority. ठीक है, ये तीनों में से जो पहले आएगा उससे पहले करोगे. ये नहीं कि सिर्फ पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे फिर डिवीजन फिर मॉडुलस. ये नहीं है, जो ये तीनों से जो पहले आएगा उससे पहले करोगे. Then plus minus. Okay, so plus increment decrement operator, first one. Then this is your arithmetical operator. Then relational operator. This is relational operator. Then logical operator. Last one, this is your shorthand operator. Okay. So increment decrement operator first, arithmetical operator second, relational operator third, logical operator fourth, shorthand operator fifth. So this is your first is increment operator, then arithmetical operator, then shorthand operator. Last one, the process in which a class acquires properties of another class is inheritance. This is the features of OOP inheritance. It acquires the properties. A class acquires the properties of another class. First, what is encapsulation? Features of OOP encapsulation. Encapsulation is the wrapping of data and functions together is known as encapsulation. Data abstraction. Data abstraction refers to an act of representing essential features without including background detail. Inheritance. Inheritance is the one class acquires properties from another class. Then polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Same name, different function. Polymorphism is the process of using a function for more than one purpose. Okay. This question is here division, modulus and multiplication. ये तीनों है, पहले जो आएगा उसे पहले करोगे. पहले क्या है? डिवीजन, इंटीजर डिवीजन. तो पहले ये करोगे. 29 divided by 3. 3 9 जा 27. So this is your 9. Then 9 modulus 6. 9 modulus 6 means 6 0 ja 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. Remainder is 9. Okay. Here is 3 9 ja 27. Here is 9. 9 modulus 6 is 6 1 ja 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 modulus 6 is 6 1 ja 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here is 3 into 3 is 9. Here 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Then this one 5 modulus 8 means 8 0 ja 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Here is 3 plus here is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus this is 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 3 20. Your data type is double, so this is your 20.0.